Assalamualaikum pensyuhada. Our next presentation is firecracker factory explosion. Okay. And this is the overview. We have introduction, background of company, among the causes of this incident, among the factor, impact on the environment and suggestion. For introduction, the Bright Sparkler firecracker factory explosion and fire occurred on 7 May 1991 at 3:45 p.m. in Sungai Buloh, Selangor, when the firecracker factory caught fire and produced a giant explosion that could be heard 7 kilometers from the scene, killing 26 people and injuring 103 others. Okay. This incident also destroyed as many 200 homes of residents around the factory, and it's make a lot of damage. This incident is known as Hiroshima of Sungai Buloh by local media.
Slide 4. Bright Sparkler Sdn Bhd, located in an agricultural area about 30 km away from the residential area in Kampung Baru, Sungai Buloh, Selangor. The factory building was established on 26 November 1973 to carry out the import and export of firecracker, firework and other products, starting 1 April 1974. Slide 5. This incident occurred at 3:45 p.m. Malaysian Standard Time, 7 May 1991, that is 22 days after the Hari Raya Aidilfitri celebration. The explosion is believed to have been caused by the negligence of a Hong Kong chemist who was conducting firework tests outside a special place until he hit a nearby pile of firecracker and firework, and the explosion spread further. The second explosion followed about 10 minutes later. The third and strongest explosion occurred at 4 p.m. and was felt over 4 kilometers away. More than 20 explosions then continued until a cloud of smoke. A number of dozens of workers at the factory, most of whom had just started their evening duty session 45 minutes before the incident, were seen storming the factory exit.
Like said, impact on the environment is chemical reaction. This situation caused about 200 rescuers to be ordered to leave the area due to fear that the gas would affect their health, in addition to avoiding any untoward accident. Second impact is poisonous gas. The spread of the poisonous gas worsened to the point that more than 50 members of the rescue team were reported to have difficulty breathing, swelling, and itching in the face, hand, and body due to exposure to the poisonous gas. On the sixth day of the incident, some residents around the Bright Sparklers firecracker factory complained of smelling a foul smell when the factory was being cleaned. Third impact is nearby factories are damaged. Several factories, including an animal feed factory, a sawmill, and a food dye factory that were nearby also caught fire. Slide 7. Among the factors. Number 1. Shock the surrounding area. Shock the surrounding area, causing many houses to collapse or burn. Number 2 is shock the surrounding resident. Some residents of Bandar Baru Sungai Buloh spend the night in the public hall and community hall in the residential area for fear of another explosion at the Bragg Sparkley's firecracker factory. Fail to save themselves. Some of the parties who failed to save themselves end up being injured by debris and fire. Round accidents also occurred when drivers rushed to save themselves. During the fire, a woman was injured in the head when she was hit by a car on the road in an attempt to save herself.
Ensure all employees are properly trained in fire safety and handling procedures. Training everyone on proper procedures help create a safer work environment. Number 2, ensuring that the raw materials used are of high quality and safe to use in firecrackers. Starting with high quality and safe raw material is crucial in ensuring the safety of the end product. It's a proactive step that minimizes risk from the very beginning of the production process. For the last one, conduct continuous audit. Regular audits are key to maintaining a high standard of safety. It helps in identify any potential issues before they become serious problems.